You turn on Do Not Disturb, but calls still ring through. Here's why, and how to finally silence them. On most phones, DND blocks alerts, but some exceptions are allowed, like favorite contacts, repeated calls, or emergency bypass. First, check if certain contacts are marked as favorites or starred. Those can still ring even with Do Not Disturb on, depending on your settings. Next, many phones let a call through if the same number calls twice within a few minutes. It's meant for urgent calls, but it can be distracting. Some devices also have emergency or critical alerts that bypass DND entirely, like government warnings, alarms, or medical apps. Now let's change your settings so only the calls you truly want can come through. On iPhone, open Settings, tap Focus, then Do Not Disturb. Here you control who can reach you. Under Allowed Notifications, tap People. Turn off Allow Calls from Favorites, or change it to No One if you want total silence. Scroll down and switch off Allow Repeated Calls so a second call from the same number doesn't break through. On Android, open Settings, tap Sound or Notifications, then Do Not Disturb. Names may vary slightly by brand, but the options are similar. Find calls or people. Set who can interrupt to none, or remove starred contacts so favorites no longer bypass Do Not Disturb. Finally, review any emergency or critical alerts in your DND settings so only truly urgent calls and alarms get through. Now your Do Not Disturb really means Do Not Disturb.